We're going to show you how to set up this point of sale application, the Square application, in a way that it doesn't stop to ask for a receipt or password or anything. That is necessary for Tap and Give in a way that it can run continuously. So all the settings that you will see now are in a Square application. So you have Square, you register, you open, and then on the lower right corner you will see more, and you can go on to settings, and under settings that's where you can see their checkout. Select checkout, and there are a couple of locations that you need to fix. One is the signature and receipt. So you need to make sure that you're not collecting signatures and that you select skip receipt screen. You can see it there, so make sure it's enabled. That will not present the screen then, and will not ask you for a receipt. You also should disable customer management because you're not going to capture information from the customers. Otherwise, it also adds another step that delays. So make sure it's off. And the other is the security. Make sure that you disable the passcodes. Otherwise, it will ask you to enter the passcode every transaction, which for an unattended terminal doesn't work. So make sure it's disabled. And now the other aspect is the battery. The Android will try to save a battery, and if the application is in idle, it will put it to sleep, and then it takes more time to start again. So go to battery and make sure the power savings is disabled. So you can see that we're going to make sure it's off. And in the application itself, both Square app, make sure it has all the access rights. So you go to all the apps, select the point of sale, Square point of sale, check permissions, make sure it has all the permissions, none are denied, and not to pause the activity if disabled. So make sure that is unchecked. And then in battery, make sure it's unrestricted. This will allow the terminal to the Android phone to run continuously, and make sure that you have power on it because it will drain the battery. And same for Tap and Give. Uh, make sure that is unrestricted. Thank you.